Oh dear. You excited, Kennedy?
Yeah.
Yep. It's gonna be a fun day, huh?
He's taking a video of you.
Say hi. What is today, Kennedy?
What?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is today, Kennedy?
My first day of school.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, honey.
You too. Say thank you.
Thank you.
It's a big, big day, isn't it? Kyler, are you excited for your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kyla.